Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Ring motion sensor. This is for the Ring alarm system. This will work with the Ring Alarm Pro, and it will also work with the Ring Alarm 2nd generation. So you're going to put this about 6.5 to 7 feet up above the floor on the wall. To activate it, you're going to pull this little piece of plastic right here. That's going to activate the batteries. It is battery powered, and then this is just two-sided tape. So you can take this off. You can stick it on a flat wall, or if you stick it in a corner, you can undo these sides right here. There is a light here to let you know when you're set up and it's ready to go. And there is a QR code right here that you would scan during the setup process when you want to add it to your alarm system. Now, to change the battery, it just takes 2 AA batteries. You're just going to push down on this. This back cover comes off. And again, when you're activating it, you're going to pull this. This is what activates the batteries. It comes with batteries installed, but eventually you will have to replace these batteries. It just takes 2 AA batteries. And again, this is the Z-Wave, so it'll work with any Ring alarm that takes Z-Wave. This is model number 5AT2S9. Now, this light on the front is also a button that you're going to press during setup. Now, if you need to factory reset this, you're going to have to find like a paper clip, and you're going to press this little button right here. Press that little button right there until that turns red. Now this is like a micro switch to let you know, it lets the device know whenever the cover is on or off. So when you slide this cover on, that little thing that little notch right there is going to press that down to let the device know that the cover is installed. And it says you want to install it 7 feet 6 inches above the ground. Again, you can put it on a wall or in a corner is probably the best. It should not face a heat source such as a stove or a fireplace or windows with direct sunlight. You're going to use the app to adjust the sensitivity of it. Okay, let's go over size. The motion sensor is about 2 5/8 inches. That's a square. Sticks out from the wall at the top about 1.5 inches, and at the bottom, about 1.25 inches. That way it gives it kind of an angle. That way it's up and it's kind of angled down a little bit when you install it on the wall. Hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.